Nope. 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 Oh! Yes-ish. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Tom's little 2006 Corsa C. As you saw from the intro, we've got a fan that only works on number 4 and is a little bit noisy. So to fix the fan only work on number 4, we're going to change the resistor. This is quite a common issue. This one I got is a top pran, make, I don't know. I got it from Automotive. I had to look at the box because I couldn't remember the name. Around about £10 if I remember rightly. Not sure, but around about that figure. So yeah, we're going to fit that and we're going to take the fan out and give it hopefully a little bit of lube and sort it out. Because I don't want to pay for a new fan if I can help it. And it all starts in behind the glove box. So we'll set you up in here. I'll try and show you as much as I can. Obviously it's in the footwell, it's a little awkward, so I'll try and wedge you guys in there and we'll see what we can do. So first thing we need to do is take the glove box out, and there's 4 screws. They're T20s, one there, one there, one there and one there. So we'll buzz them out. I've got a little power tool, but use what you've got. Oh, undoing it helps. So with that removed, we can see the fan unit there, and we've also got to take this duct off, which is a little fitting there. I don't know if I'll be able to set the light up. Oh, I might be able to. I've got a little tripod on at the moment, so it's a little bit awkward. Sorry if I'm flashing you. And then that should pop out. And then just give that a bit of a tug. Oh, sorry, I can't do it one-handed. I'll put you down and show you what's out, but basically it's this thing. There it is out. You've got to give it a good tug, and it comes from that square hole there. Give it a tug and a twist and it'll come off. It's quite tight though. Alright, so we're going in. Now this is awkward, and I'm sorry if I bump you, but got the power up under there, which I can't actually see, so I'm using you to see it. So that's the power to the fan, and then where is it? Up there. That is the resistor. So you squeeze the lugs and try and get the plug off. Oh no, the whole thing's come off. Oh well. There we go, it's come out. I'll have to try and get that plug off in a minute. But that's the resistor, that's where it sits, up in that hole up there. So next we've got some fasteners to undo on the fan. So the fasteners, or the bolts, there's one at the front there, there's one there, and there's one up by the power plug. Which, can you see it in that mirror? If you can't see it, I do apologise. But the plug's there, and there's a bolt next to it right at the back. So there's those 3 we've got to take out, and then, sorry, we'll have to pop these lugs off as well after. So as you can tell, there's no way of me showing you me undoing them. So once we've got it undone, I'll turn you back on. So there's actually 4 screws holding that on, and this clip. So this is the last bit, and then that's it, free. Let's take it out and have a look. Okay, we're on the bench, and you can see where the screw holes are. So that is the firewall or bulkhead. So we've got a screw at the front, back left. There's one in front of this duct that comes out here, and there's one at the back, and that's where the power lead is from underneath. And this thing is pretty stiff. So I'm going to have a look. I might put some power on it. See, look, it doesn't even spin. So might have a look in underneath there, see if I can dribble a bit of oil in there and see how we get on. Got a little 12-volt battery set up with just some test leads, and let's try it. Cool. It's a bit stiff and horrible, isn't it? I'm going to try and put some oil in underneath there and see if we can get any better than that. So, maybe this is part of our issue. I think I'll put a bit of oil on this end and try it again, don't you? Right, let's try it again. It's not very firmly held in there, but we shall see. That's a little better, isn't it? It's definitely not drawing as much current either because it's not sparking. So I reckon a bit more spray on the top and the bottom, and then we'll throw it back together. And if you look in the bottom of this, it does look like we've had a bit of water sat in there as well, doesn't it? That's not going to help matters. Let's try with a bit of lube on. That, I'd say, is significantly better. Let's put it back in. So let's shove that up in there, do the few screws up, and then we'll look at the resistor. That's the new one, that's the old one. So the fan's back in and plugged in. I did take that panel out. There's a screw there and a screw just up there, and you can sort of pull this part of it outwards and it slides out just to give you a bit more room to get to the bolts, really. So next up is I got to try and get you into a place to see this resistor again. So back underneath, that's the wiring for the resistor, and this just slots in that way round, I think. Again, I can't really see what I'm doing, but if you push it in, hopefully, that's it, it slots down, and then you get the wiring in. I do apologise if you can't see, but I can't see either. There, I don't know how much I showed of that, do apologise. So we've got the ignition on, should we try it? Yep, can you hear that? It's working. Nice. Then we put the rest back together. Just got to sort my tools out, but it's pretty much done. So, not too bad a job, a bit awkward getting the bolts out that hold the fan to the housing. They're think they're 5.5mm. I've done it with a 6mm. Mine's a metre inch sockets, so but it worked on mine. If not, you might have to get a little 5.5mm socket or something. Right, what was I going to say? Yeah, we'll see how long it lasts. It's got lubrication. It shouldn't get wet again because I'm presuming it got wet when we had the aircon pipe blocked, and that was all full of water. So hopefully that won't happen again. Touch wood. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Look us up on Instagram, larks_workshop. And I hope to see you next time on, I don't know, could be another Vauxhall, could be a Volkswagen. Where am I pointing? There. Anyway, see you soon. Cheers then. Oh, we can cross 2 things off. Yeah. Is there anything left on there? Oh, CV joint, maybe. But yeah, big old list. Obvious version. For anybody else's kids' cars, mobile dustbins? Yeah, is it a common thing? Terminals, and it pops off. You get to the bolts. I can't. Stay. Blinding. Oh God. Right. Thank you so much for watching and coming. Oh.